Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your Barker 007. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to configure Facebook Pay. Now, Facebook Pay is basically an option which would allow you to pay for advertisements or to promote your posts. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to set this up. So first things first, let's launch Facebook. I'm currently using the light version of Facebook. So what you need to do is to click the hamburger menu to the top right of your screen, which is right there. So you need to click that option. So let's click on that option and you need to scroll down and find settings. So as you can see, we have settings right here. So let's click on settings and you need to look for this under account settings. So as you can see, we have Facebook Pay right here. So once you've clicked on Facebook Pay, there will be two options for you. You will have basically credit card and PayPal, or PayPal, or you could add both. So as you can see, I currently don't have any balance. There hasn't been any activity, so there isn't any payment history on this account. So let's add a payment method, and as you can see, we have credit or debit card, or we have PayPal. So let me click on credit or debit card first. So what you need to do from here is to add your card number, the month, the year, the security code, which is the CVV or CVC number, and then your country, and basically you could save. Now as you can see, you could read the payment terms and see if there is any tax or anything to this. So let's click back into this and see what the PayPal option displays. So let's click on add a payment method, and this time we'll select the PayPal option. Okay, so it will basically launch the Chrome. Let me launch it in Safari browser because I haven't logged into PayPal from there. So as you can see, this will ask you to log into your PayPal account, and then because it is being redirected from the Facebook application, it will prompt you to connect Facebook to this. So let me log in. And once your PayPal have been logged into, it will basically allow this to run as a trusted source or trusted payment method. So that is basically it. You could have a few settings here. You could ask for a PIN to confirm payments. You could add the shipping address, the currency, and contact information, and all of that. So that is basically how it go about setting up Facebook Pay, and you could see the terms and privacy here and the help. So yeah, if this was helpful to you guys in setting up the Facebook Pay, please let me know in the comments. I hope this was helpful to you all. Thank you guys for watching. Hacker 007.